Cybertruck headlights aren't made for winter. They're recessed and they don't get hot enough to melt what they catch and is blocked with snow. One of the Cybertruck owner couldn't see while driving on the highway and had to follow tire tracks at slow speed because he couldn't get the ice off his lights. Heavy blowing snow and slush froze over the headlight bar. Owner said it was very difficult to see while driving. Turning on the brights had no effect. Many owners have raised this issue in the winter, especially with snow buildup in the headlights areas, and had to stop multiple times to clear the headlights. Due to the design, Cybertruck's entire front end can be packed with frozen slush from the interstate. And this couldn't be removed with bare hands. It's the ledge that is in front of the headlights that just invites snow and slush to sit there in front of the lights. We think only good solution will be a lower mounted light bar,